If we click on send mail, let's open the Outlook. So we got the mail. The first one is like, hi John, this is a reminder about the meeting tomorrow. Today I will show you how to send emails directly from Excel with one click using Outlook. So in here we have an Excel file with the name of the recipient, then the email, subject, then the message. I'm using the real email of mine because we'll be sending a real email. So for that, press Alt F11, or you can go to Developer tab, then Visual Basic. For getting the Developer tab, right click somewhere here, customize the ribbon, click the Developer here, then click OK. So now I'll go to Visual Basic in the Developer tab, Insert, Module, paste the code. The two things you need to remember is that in here, whatever the name is mentioning for the sheet, it should be same as the Excel sheet name. And the second thing is, to get the mail properly, format of the Excel should be name of the recipient, email, subject, and the body of the email. So we will save the Excel file. We'll click no for that. It should be saved as macro enabled workbook. Save, close it. The macro is set. Now we will assign to a button. So for that, go to Developer tab, Insert, Button, create a button here, assign the macro, okay. Change the name to send email. If you click on send mail, let's open the Outlook. So we got the mail. The first one is like, hi John, this is a reminder about the meeting tomorrow. Hi John, this is a reminder about the meeting tomorrow. And the second one, here is the test email for the tutorial. Hi John, test email for the tutorial. If you want to edit the email before sending it, you can change the code here. Change send to display. Save the code. Now we click on the send email. As you can see, the draft window opened for these two. We can edit the two mails. If you found this video helpful, please do subscribe, hit the like, and comment what should I do next. See you next time. Bye.